Everyone congratulated Mark for losing weight. Friends asked for his secret. Some even told him they wished they had his discipline. But there was one problem. He wasn't trying to lose weight. Mark was in his early 50s. Like many people, he had struggled with his weight for years. Diet plans, gym memberships, promises to start fresh on Monday, but the results never lasted. Eventually, he stopped trying. Then something unusual started happening. The numbers on the scale began to drop. Not because Mark changed his diet, not because he started exercising, the weight was just disappearing. His co-workers congratulated him, family members told him he looked great, everyone thought Mark had finally discovered the secret to weight loss, but Mark knew something was different. Then he began noticing small changes. He felt tired more often. His appetite wasn't the same. Sometimes he didn't feel like eating at all. And occasionally there was a discomfort in his abdomen. Nothing dramatic. Just something that didn't feel quite normal. One evening after work, Mark felt unusually weak. This time he knew something wasn't right, so he decided to go to the hospital. That decision saved his life. Doctors ran several tests, blood work, scans, and after the results came back, they finally understood why Mark had been losing weight. Mark had cancer. The weight loss everyone celebrated was actually a warning sign. Many people don't realize this. When the body begins losing weight without any effort, doctors take it very seriously. Because sometimes the body's trying to tell us something. It may be a signal that something deeper is happening inside. That's why unexplained weight loss is something doctors always investigate. If you ever notice weight dropping without trying, pay attention, especially if it comes with fatigue, loss of appetite, or discomfort in your body. It may turn out to be nothing serious, but it's always better to check early. Everyone thought Mark's weight loss was good news, but his body was sending a warning. Sometimes the symptoms people celebrate are the very ones doctors worry about the most.
Have you ever ignored a symptom that later turned out to be important? Share your experience in the comments. And remember, listening to your body early can make all the difference.